If you use OneDrive in Windows 11, this quick tutorial will show you how to change OneDrive folder colors in File Explorer the easy way. This is a great way to make important folders stand out, organize your files faster, and give your OneDrive a more customized look. If this video helps, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Windows tips. First, press Windows+E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. Once File Explorer opens, find and open your OneDrive folder on the left side or in your main folder list. This gets you into the local OneDrive area on your PC, where you can quickly check how your synced folders appear. Now, here's the key part. To change the folder color or category, you need to use OneDrive on the web. So open your browser and go to OneDrive Web. Sign in with the same Microsoft account that you use for OneDrive on your computer. After you're signed in, locate the folder you want to customize. Right-click that folder, and in the menu look for Folder Color or Change Color. Depending on your account or interface, the wording may be slightly different, but the option will be there. Click it, and then choose the color you want from the available options. Pick a color that makes the folder easier to spot and matches how you want to organize your files. Once you choose the color, the change should sync back to your OneDrive account. Next, return to File Explorer on your Windows 11 PC. Open the OneDrive folder again and check the folder you just edited. After a moment, you should see the new folder color reflected there as well. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a few seconds and refresh the folder view. Sometimes syncing can take a short moment before the updated color shows in File Explorer. And that's it. You've now changed the OneDrive folder color in Windows 11 and made your files easier to organize at a glance. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference if you manage lots of folders every day. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who uses OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.